up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be doing a little tutorial on one of my favorite tools that I love to use for hair, and that's everybody's main essential to get that good looking hair. And let's see who's coming in this lovely video. This is the new Parlux Alyon, and this is one of my favorite colors, and I've been looking for a matte black blow dryer, and this is it, guys. Parlux finally came out with a matte black, and I love it. This is dope. This is a really great professional blow dryer, especially if you're looking for something that has that's going to give you really great blowouts, that's going to get you quick through your clients. Maybe if you have extensions or thick hair and you're wanting something to really get in there and work the cuticle of the hair and get it nice and smooth, Parlux is the way to go. I was introduced to this blow dryer a while back from my boss, and she had a lot of thick hair clients at the time when I was assisting her, and ever since she introduced me to this blow dryer, game on. I have never switched over to another. So that says a lot about a good blow dryer, especially Parlux. I'm gonna go ahead and have a model for us today, and I am going to be doing a fun video over this blow dryer, and we're gonna see how well it does with what products I'm gonna be using today is to find out. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is going to be my lovely model today, and as you can see, she's got very curly hair. We are going to be smoothing her out really nice, and I'm going to be using some fun products in today's video, and also a new blow dryer. So let's go ahead and see how smooth we can get this young lady and see how this works. Okay guys, so here we have her. Right before we get started, I just wanted to show you how kinky her curls are. It's got a lot of frizz, and we are about to go ahead and shampoo her, so let's go ahead and move to that. So now that we've seen her hair, she's got a lot of curls, she's got a lot of frizz. We definitely want to smooth it out really nice and well with the blow dryer. So I'm going to give her a good shampoo. I'm going to use a good smoothing shampoo and a smoothing conditioner, because we all know how important it is to have a great shampoo before a good blowout. So if you're interested, I will list it down in the link below. So now that we're done with all of that, I want you to take a good look at her hair just to show you. I haven't placed any products yet, but this is what her hair looks like. And as you can still see, it's still got some of the frizz in there, but it looks very clean. So let's go ahead and apply some products. Here is my first product. This is the Ouai All-in-One Milk. It is a 5-in-1 product, and it has a detangling spray obviously in it, and that is something that I do like to use before I apply any other styling product in the hair first. That way I can brush it very nice and easily. So here is the second product that I'll be applying to her hair. This is by Kevin Murphy, and it is a treatment, not only a styling product. It's going to work the frizziness throughout her hair, help control it, so you want to really work it in from mid part to ends. Alright, so here's our last product that I'll be applying to her hair. This is by Kevin Murphy as well, and it's called a Young Again. This is an oil treatment and not just a typical styling product. I love to use this throughout the hair, wet and dry. This is one of my favorites, and I just love the fact that it's going to be able to treat your hair throughout time. So most oils are just for shine and just kind of bypass throughout time, but this isn't your ordinary oil. And as you can see, I'm able to run my fingers through her hair. It's nice, and it's not overdone with product. So we're going to go ahead and clip her up, get her prepped for this blow dry, and see how well she smooths out. Oh my god, look at this. Look how lovely her hair looks. This is so good. Look how well the cuticle is just sealed in. It's nice, it's smooth, you can see her color. It's gorgeous. So guys, And you know what, to top that off too, yes, we use great product in our hair, but overall, I don't care what anybody says. Yes, products are the best thing, and a shampoo is always the best thing for a blowout, but this blow dryer actually seals everything. It shuts everything up, and I love it. Parlux is the way to go. I love the color. It's just light, it's awesome, and I love how I can get through the hair really nice and easy. So let's see what else this blow dryer brings to the table. So that's it. Look how smooth she looks. It looks flawless. I love, love, love this blow dryer, and look how it made her hair. It made her color pop so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and put just a little bit of oil before I curl her out so we can really see the detail of the hair. But this is just to show you how well that blow dryer really got her smooth. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Here is the results after, so I just wanted to show y'all, and that way I can get a little close up. And that is it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe. This is just flawless. Alright, and thanks again, guys, for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.